Video we will discuss about how to solve a second order differential solve a homogeneous second order differential equation. So for solving this second order differential equation, we take y is equal to a e to the power mx with a trial solution, and then we find the dy dx, that is am a e to the power mx, and d2y dx2 is equal to m square a e to the power mx. So next, if we put the value of d2y dx2 and dy dx in this equation, we get m square plus p1m plus p2 is equal to 0, and then we find the solution of those differential equation by by using with the help of roots of this equation. And since we use this equation to find the solution of this differential equation, d2y dx2 plus p1 dy dx plus p2y is equal to 0, so that's why we say this m square plus p1m plus p2 is equal to 0. This is known as auxiliary equation. And now we know that the roots of the equation is m is equal to minus p1 plus minus root over p1 square minus 4p2 by 2. And we know that the roots of this equation or the nature of the roots depends on the discriminant. So in this video we will discuss the first two conditions, that is when the discriminant p1 square minus 4p2 is greater than 0 and when p1 square minus 4p2 is equal to 0. So we know that when the discriminant p1 square minus 4p2 is greater than 0, then the roots are real and distinct. We say that is the roots are m1 and m2, and then we check, we can write the solution as y is equal to c1 e to the power m1x plus c2 e to the power m2x. So now let us try to solve one problem. So here I consider one equation, that d2y dx2 minus 3 dy dx plus 2y is equal to 0. So we take y is equal to a e to the power mx as a trial solution, and then as we get in the first, that dy dx is equal to m a to the power mx and d2y dx is equal to m square a to the power mx. So if we put this value here, so what we get, that m square a to the power mx minus 3m a to the power mx plus 2 a e to the power mx is equal to 0, and then we can write m square minus 3m plus 2 is equal to 0, and if we solve it we get m minus 2 into m minus 1 is equal to 0. So m is equal to 1 and 2. So here we can say that the roots are real and distinct. So now, so suppose we say m1 is equal to 1 and m2 is equal to 2. So you can choose m1 and m2 by your choice. Here I choose m1 is equal to 1 and m2 is equal to 2. You can also choose m1 is equal to 2 and m2 is equal to 1. Both are correct. So now we see here the roots, then the solution is y is equal to c1 e to the power m1x plus c2 e to the power m2x. So here we choose m1 is equal to 1 and m2 is equal to 2. So the solution, the general solution, in short we write g as, is of the form y is equal to c1 e to the power x plus c2 e to the power 2x, whereas c1 and c2 are arbitrary constants. And I hope you understand the topic. And in next, when we will discuss about when the discriminant p1 square minus 4p2 is equal to 0. When p1 square minus 4p2 is equal to 0, then we say that the roots are real and equal. Then the solution is of the form y is equal to c1 plus c2x into e to the power mx. So now let us again I take here one problem, that is d2y dx2 minus 6 dy dx plus 9y is equal to 0. So similarly here we take y is equal to 8 e to the power mx as the trial solution, and as previously done it, that is we can find the dy dx, that is am a to the power mx and d2 by dx2 is m square a to the power mx, and if we put this value here we get m square a to the power mx minus 6m a to the power mx plus 9 a to the power mx is equal to 0, and we get m square minus 6m plus 9 y is equal to 0. And so we can write here m minus 3 whole square is equal to 0, so m is equal to 3 and 3. So you see here the roots are same. So now we can write the solution is of the form y is equal to c1 plus c2x e to the power 3x. If we compare it with y is equal to c1 plus c2x into e to the power mx, so y is equal to c1 plus c2x into e to the power 3x, whereas c1 and c2 are arbitrary constant. I hope you understand the topic, that how can we find when the solution of differential equation when the roots are different, when the roots are real and distinct, and when the roots are real and equal. So thank you.